I lost money. Not a fortune, but enough to feel like a complete idiot. And you know who helped me lose it? A guy from TikTok. Nice car, fancy apartment, and promises. Make $1,000 a day doing nothing. I fell for it because I wanted to believe there was an easy way. Spoiler, there wasn't. And I'm not alone. Hundreds of people fall for this trap every day. I'll tell you how it happened to me, and more importantly, what my stupid mistakes taught me, so you don't repeat them. Here's exactly what happened. Who is the guru and how he hooked me? Let's start with who this guru actually is. Back then, I was scrolling TikTok, just wasting time, and suddenly, there he was. A guy, maybe 25, sitting in a white car, steering wheel on the left, sunglasses on, a coffee cup from some fancy shop next to him, and he's saying, calm and cool, I got rich in 3 months, and you can too. All you need is to follow my system. I remember thinking, wow, that's the life, making money without doing anything. He didn't look like a scammer, confident, good-looking, saying all the right words, and he threw out specific numbers. $1,000 a day, passive income while you sleep. Just push a button. At the same time, he kept pushing. If you're late, you lose. Miss this opportunity, and you'll regret it forever. Classic pressure. Create fake scarcity so you don't think, you just pay. At first, I was just hooked. I thought, why, maybe he really is that good. Then I started doubting. Why is he selling a $200 course if his method actually works? But here's how your brain works. It wants to believe in the easy way, especially when you're tired of work, tired of debt, tired of feeling stuck. So I gave in. I thought, okay, I'll try. Worst case, I lose $200. No big deal. Spoiler, I lost more than just money. How I lost my first money and why I didn't stop. So I bought his course, $250. Back then, that was real money for me. Not a fortune, but noticeable. I thought, it's an investment in myself. No big deal. It'll pay for itself in a couple of days. The course turned out to be, well, let's call it watered down. Hours of videos with generic phrases like think positive, visualize money, surround yourself with successful people. No real steps, no actual tools, just motivational chewing gum. But I'm stubborn. I thought, okay, maybe I missed something. I did everything he said. Put a wealth visualization as my phone wallpaper. Repeated affirmations every morning. Tried to visualize money into my life. A week passed. 2 weeks. Nothing. My $250 didn't come back. I wrote to his support. Silence. 3 days later, I got a reply. You're doing it wrong. You need to buy the advanced module for $150. Everything is explained there. I was furious, but not at him, at myself. I thought, how could I be such an idiot? What's wrong with me? And here's the stupidest part. Instead of stopping and saying enough, I started looking for another guru. I thought, maybe this one just isn't great. Another one will definitely help. That's how greed and hope make you keep going, even when everything is on fire. The second mistake, quick money. You think I stopped after the first loss? Nope. I became even more vulnerable because I needed to get those $250 back, and fast. I found another expert, this time not on TikTok, on Telegram. The guy promised fully automated earnings. Just deposit money into a crypto bot, it trades on its own, you sleep. Weekly return, 30%. Sounded like a dream. I deposited $150 for testing purposes, I told myself. A week passed, my deposit grew to $200. I was excited. I hit withdraw, and nothing. The transaction got stuck. A day later, the support chat disappeared. The bot account was deleted. My $150 vanished. I remember that feeling, bitterness, shame. The main question, how could I fall for that again? I'm a smart guy, damn it. But here's what changed this time. I stopped being angry at myself and started getting angry at them, at those fake gurus, because I realized the problem isn't me. I'm not stupid. I just fell into a well-oiled machine. They're professionals at manipulation, and I wanted to believe in a miracle. That's how millions get exploited every single day. The third time, when I realized I was being scammed, you might think, okay, 2 times is a coincidence, but a third, I almost fell for a third one too. But at the last moment, something clicked. I just stopped and started digging. First, I compared 2 gurus. One talks with confidence, the other with a friendly smile. But the scripts, identical, same phrases. Passive income. You deserve more. Act now. Like they read the same manipulation handbook. Then I looked closer. The rented cars. Turns out the TikTok guy with the white Mercedes was renting it by the hour. Those photo shoots cost $50. The income screenshots? Fake. You can generate anything online in minutes. And most importantly, the reviews. I looked for real people who actually bought his courses. Almost none. The ones leaving hype comments? Either empty accounts or other experts promoting each other. Closed circle. At that moment, I felt relief. honestly, because I realized I'm not stupid. I'm not an idiot who can't make money. I was scammed professionally with love for detail. There's no shame in falling for it when you're surrounded by hundreds of other victims. But then came the anger. Not at myself, at them, at those people who make money off other people's hope. That day I made a promise. Not a single cent to experts selling hot air. I stopped wasting money on shady schemes and started looking for real information, free, verified. Only then did I actually begin to understand how money works. What I learned from this, three real lessons. You know what? I don't regret the money I lost, honestly, because it bought me something truly valuable, understanding. Three simple lessons. Lesson one: if someone promises easy money, it's 100% a scam. Real earnings take time, effort, or skills. Most often, all of them at once. No passive income while you sleep without active work first. Lesson two: those gurus make money by selling courses, not by doing what they teach. Think about it. If that guy actually had a money printing machine, why would he sell it for 50 bucks? He'd just sit there and print. But selling courses is safer. Zero risk, all profit. Lesson 3. Before you pay a single dollar, go and look for free sources first. YouTube, Reddit, public articles. 90% of what they want to sell you is already out there for free. The best money knowledge I ever got cost me nothing, just time. Time spent searching, not falling for false promises. I'm not proud that I got scammed, but I'm grateful for those mistakes because they opened my eyes. If you watch this to the end, maybe they'll open yours too. That's worth way more than any $200. Don't repeat my mistakes, okay? Don't fall for get rich in one day. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. Before you give money to some guru, pause, check the reviews, search on free sources, YouTube, Reddit articles. Everything you need to start is already out there, including this channel, by the way. Here I talk about real things. No magic, no courses, no ads, just honest experience and concrete steps. Subscribe now, not later. And remember, money loves the patient, not the gullible. Period. See you.